Don't know why I'm doing that. Because once it goes up, it's it can't see the floor or anything. It's pitch black, isn't it? Just wants to wander because of the floor. Because it can't see anything.
Or you can maybe see if you like.
Eh?
Or you can maybe see if you like.
Yeah, that's fine. I can't even spin it because it just wants to wander too much. I'm having to really sort of control it because it fits back. You want to just wander to the grass a minute, no? Just to get the front of it, and I'll try and keep it by ear a minute.
It's the same, you can't really see. It's alright.
Right, if you go behind it now, I'll bring it down. That's just like the optical flow's not wearing it at all. Watch, just wanders. It goes, it doesn't know what it's doing.